Now guys, I'm gonna show you a basic way how to escape from the snookers. So I am behind the brown ball, I need to get to the red. And what I see many players do, they getting off the snookers not correctly. So the key rule here is to make sure that you use correct spin on the cue ball and correct height on the cue ball. So usually when you play, let's say, one cushion escape, you want to find the middle point, like a mirror point, where you want to hit to the red ball, yeah? And for the most people, there at the beginning stage is a little bit too complicated. So I'm just gonna use a little bit simple way to do that. So let's say I want to get to the red ball here. So I have to check for the cushion angle where I am 100% sure that I'm not gonna hit the red ball from, I'm gonna hit badly from the left side. So if I'm gonna hit here, the cue ball is gonna bounce here. If I'm gonna hit here, the cue ball is gonna go here. So from there, I have to more or less find the middle point. So if the point is here and here, so I have to hit around here to get to hit the red ball there. And if you want to check correct angle, you just have to check from this position where you want to aim, because that gives you a little bit better perspective, okay? Right, so since I know that in between this point and this point is a middle point, I'm gonna try to hit ball. And I usually, when I play snooker escapes, I use touch-up running side, because that helps you to hit with the better angle. So just I aim above center, because that's a little bit better way to do this for the basic snooker escapes. And I play medium power. You see, I hit it the red. So what I see from many players, there are two key mistakes in speed. They play too slow. And even if I hit it to the same part of the cushion, it deflected too wide. And if they aim hard, it goes low. You see? So usually when you do snooker escapes, you need to use touch-up running side and play medium pace. So I know the point, just play medium pace, touch-up spin, and I always get a snooker escape. Touch-up running side helps to achieve that medium pace and point in between 2 points, which goes wide or goes narrow. Now, let's say for the most people think that two snooker escape is more difficult, but actually I think two snooker escape is easier. So when you do two cushion snooker escape, I think about the last stop where the cue ball has to stop to hit the red. So I know that the last point has to be here, because I'm gonna use touch-up running side. Especially when you play with two cushions, you must use running side, because it's way more natural way to get out of the snookers, especially when you use two cushions. So I know the last point, so I know that if I'm gonna hit right there, it's gonna deflect here and hit the red. So in this situation, I use, again, right-hand side on the cue ball. I know basically two stations, station number one, station number one, station number two, and hit to the red. Again, I don't have to play with too much pace, just medium pace, touch on right-hand side, and I should get two snooker escape. I think that's pretty good. Again, I have to say, guys, all the tables are different. If you play on new cloth, there is a slide, and you have to slide to adjust your aiming. But let's say you play on this table for the first time, and you got the angle badly. Let's say you play too narrow, yeah? And opponent gives you a miss. So you just need to adjust your aiming point on the cushion, that's it. So if I hit narrow, I just have to remember where I hit the cue ball and just slightly widen up. And if that doesn't work, you just have to, if you have, let's say, 1 miss rule. You just have to widen up. That's it. That's what you need to do. Snooker escapes are not difficult because you just have to remember where the cue ball finished and then just do adjustments. I'm just going to show you a more difficult snooker, like a free snooker escape. Let's say, like I want to show without ball. So let's say I have cue ball right there, and I want to get free cushion escape to the red, yeah? So I know that the last station should be around here, okay? And I just do my best. I again use running side, touch your right hand side. My best guess is like 1, 2, here and here. Let's see what happens. Touch your right hand side. Got the snooker escape. Let's say I'm not familiar with the table and I play a little bit too wide. You see, I got a little bit too wide, so I just need to do slight adjustments, you know. So if I hit it too wide, it means I have to get more here on this table. So I have to just slightly narrow, play the same speed and spin. And that's how you do. Any snooker escape can be escaped with the correct knowledge, with the angles and remembering where the cue ball was. That's what all I have to say about snooker escapes.